Oh, oh, oh. That is deep. That's deep. You're in it pretty quick there. Yeah. Yeah. Oh, watch your snorkel. Oh, wait. Ross, go for it, have it! Yeah, he's going. He's going, mate. He's got to get out there. Mate, you should have seen it. He just passed straight through the lot of that.
Yeah, I made his fucking right, so he's been bottom out. So did I think, didn't I?
There he goes. Go on, Ross.
Oh, you go.
He's off. He's going slowly. Look at that, look. It's fucking, oh.
Sorry, weakness.
Alright.
He's got it.
You gonna jump on the back?
Nah, fuck getting covered in mud and shit.
There we go, yes! There he goes! He's gone! Yeah, there he goes!